Platinum resistance temperature, collector usage and debugging, based on Alibaba MQTT protocol. The following will be explained in 5 parts. 1. Hardware introduction and preparation. 2. Software introduction and preparation. 3. Practical operation demonstration. 4. System integration instructions. 5. Troubleshooting guide. Before configuration, let's review the working principle and data flow. The platinum resistance sensor converts temperature changes into resistance signals after being processed by the host device into digital temperature values, then transmitted via Cat1 wireless network to the Alibaba Cloud platform. Alibaba Cloud then transmits the data to the app. 1. Hardware introduction and preparation. Required hardware equipment. Before operation, our company provided hardware includes platinum resistance, temperature collector, 4G antenna, configuration cable, customer prepared items, a computer, platinum resistance sensor, hardware connection, demonstration. First, connect the 4G antenna. Screw the 4G antenna onto the host's SMA interface. Position it vertically upward. Then connect the platinum resistance sensor. For 4-wire platinum resistance sensors, connect the 2 red leads from the sensor to the red and black terminals on the device respectively. The 2 white leads can be connected to the remaining 2 terminals. For 3-wire type, connect the 2 red leads from the sensor to the red and black terminals on the device. The single white lead should be connected to both remaining terminals. Then connect the wired sensor to the host device. To configure sensor parameters, connect the configuration cable. The red LED will stay on. Plug the USB end into a computer. Turn on the power switch. The green LED will stay lit. Now parameters can be configured. During configuration, the green LED should be steady or blinking. If the green LED turns off during configuration, this indicates the device entered sleep mode. Turn off the power switch and restart after 5 seconds. The green LED will relight. Alternatively, unplug and replug the cable. Close the software serial port. Before unplugging, reselect the serial port. After reconnection, after reinsertion, the green LED will blink. Configuration can continue. 2. Software introduction and preparation. Contact support for configuration software. Open the downloaded configuration software. Find the serial port driver. Find this application and click. Keep clicking next to complete installation. The subsequent steps will not be demonstrated. The serial port can be emulated via the configuration cable. Right-click this PC. Click Manage Device Manager Ports to check if the serial port driver is installed. Setting up Alibaba Cloud Platform. Visit Alibaba Cloud official website. Enter your Alibaba Cloud account and password. After logging in, enter Fi-In platform in the top search bar. Click to enter the Li-Fi-It platform. Click Management Console. After entering, go to the project interface. Click here to create a new project. Here we add a project named Platinum Resistance Temperature Collector. Then click this project. Here we need to create a new product. Note, select Cellular for connection method. After creating the product, select the product to develop. Click Continue Development. Enter the function definition interface. Click Add Custom Function. According to AC105 Platinum Resistance Temperature Collector Manual Section 5.2, Private MQTT and Alibaba Cloud MQTT Protocol. Add custom functions. Note, identifiers must be filled, exactly as in the protocol. Here it's already added. After adding functions, go to the human-machine interface. This is used to set up the APP monitoring interface. Customers can customize the settings based on their preferred functions. After the interface is set up, the device can be bound to the APP via network configuration QR code. Next is device debugging. We need to add a new device here. Device name can be customized. After filling in, click Confirm. Here we can see the new device has been added. Click Device Certificate. To view the device's Alibaba triple serial port selection and parameter configuration, open the Alibaba version water leak configuration tool software. Select the virtual serial port created by the configuration cable. Open the serial port. Next, configure the sensor parameters. Note, must be an indicator blinking state. Here is the IP configuration area. First, select network, as we're debugging based on Alibaba MQTT protocol. Select MQTT server login. Alibaba MQTT login doesn't require IP setting. Here is the Alibaba triple area. Need to input the corresponding device's triple information. Can be viewed in device certificate. Fill in product key, device name, device secret accordingly. Next is general parameters. Device address uses 4-byte programmable ID as specified in the protocol. Configurable by user. Upload cycle, duration between heartbeat packets to server. For online status confirmation, configurable. Unit, minutes. Longer intervals conserve more power. Receive time is the maximum wait time. For server response after connection. Unit, seconds. During this 5-second window, remote configuration of alarm, conditions or intervals is possible. See Section 3 of the AC-105 manual for command formats. Server command format in TCP protocol. If no response is detected, the device enters sleep mode. Registration packet can be customized. Sent before establishing communication. As an initial handshake. Alarm reporting interval is the frequency for repeated alarm transmissions. Unit, minutes. Sensor type should match your hardware. Alarm condition settings. Configure high or low temperature thresholds. Then select the alarm mode according to temperature requirements. Select from 4 intelligent alarm modes to cover various monitoring needs. Temperature compensation corrects measurement deviations. Place sensor in known temperature environment. Record deviation between measured or actual values to determine compensation value. Parameter display section shows version number and SIM card info. This is the APN configuration section. Fill in the APN scenario correctly based on the SIM's carrier and card type. For the specific name, please consult your carrier. Enter the APN username and password as required by the carrier. For IAT cards, these fields are usually left blank, while regular cards may require credentials provided by the carrier. Once filled in, save the configuration to apply. Click Right and reset. Configuration is now complete. 3. Practical operation demonstration. After setting the platinum resistance temperature collectors parameters, establish association with Alibaba Cloud Platform via the network configuration QR code. Can view the sensor's status in the APP. Copy the device name from device credentials. Go to the human-machine interaction interface. Click Product Manual. Download network configuration QR code. Enter the corresponding device's device name. A QR code will be generated. Scan the code with the Cloud Management APP on your phone. The device will be added to the APP. Note that adding devices to the APP must be done when the device is online. Can trigger a sensor alarm to bring it online. In the APP monitoring interface, can view device address, device battery level, temperature, reporting interval, and other parameters. Here is the device's status. Can reflect in real time the alarm status and normal status. 2 core states. The alarm condition set here is alarm when 45 C, when the sensor detects temperature. Below alarm condition, the interface shows device status as normal. We prepared 67 C hot water. Place the platinum resistance sensor in the hot water. Device status shows as alarm. 4. System integration. Instructions. The above demonstration used our company's Alibaba Cloud account. Customers should log into their own Alibaba Cloud accounts. Follow the steps to create new devices. After creation, fill the device's triple into the software. Temperature collector connected to Alibaba Cloud via MQTT. Users complete device binding by scanning QR codes. Can then use the mobile app to subscribe to sensor information. Note that the collector is a low-power device, acting as a client, not maintaining constant connection. It connects only during communication, then disconnects and enters sleep mode. Data is uploaded in JSON format. See the protocol details in Section 5 Communication Protocol of the AC-105 Manual. 5. Troubleshooting Guide. Unstable temperature readings. Check for loose or oxidized terminals causing poor contact. Ensure secure connections. Keep cables away from high interference sources like motors or frequency converters. No data received. Verify server IP or port configuration. Check for SIM card issues, depleted data, or weak signal. Contact our support if local 4 grams coverage is unstable. Relocate the device. Serial port not detected. Ensure cable is securely connected. Try different USB ports cables. Check port status in device manager. If abnormal, reinstall serial port drivers. The above is the platinum resistance temperature collector based on Alibaba Cloud complete process of usage and debugging with MQTT protocol.